Why is it that we sabotage ourselves? Why is it that we want to go in a certain direction so bad, and yet we find ourselves stuck? We go in a certain good direction for 2 or 3 days, or maybe even a week, or maybe even an entire year. And it's rare, but after an entire year, you should have built up a new habit. Now, there has been some cases where people actually have worked on themselves and then they go right back to the slop. Why is it so difficult for you to change? Why is it so difficult? What's causing this controversy in your life? Have you sat down to think about what's really going on in your life with this addiction that you have, this nightmare, this gruesome nightmare that is eating you alive? It's destroying your family. It's for some people, it's just they want to almost believe that the end is near, because they've lost everything. They've lost their job. They've lost their family. They've been the wife, business. We're dealing with something very, very sophisticated. I'm going to be talking more about these things in videos coming, but I want you to think about that. I want you to think, by the way, this is Santos Jr. here, aka Soldier of Self-Mastery, on a Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's to you, wherever you may find yourself. Man, I'm finally starting to get from out underneath the weather. I'm starting to feel some breath again, man. Loss of appetite and all kinds of things that go along with not feeling well, right? When you're under the weather. Well, I'm grateful, because that's an experience that we all go through once in a while. And it's weird because I hardly ever get sick. ever since I started drinking that mineral water a couple years ago. Nevertheless, everything happens for a reason. I want you to think about something. I'm going to end here. I want you to really think about the conflict that's going on in your life. If indeed you are struggling with some kind of a habit, some kind of behavior that you want to get away from, you want to basically blast, you want to crush this behavior, you just want to get it done and over with, get it out of the way. I'm telling you, my friend, there's a battle going on. It's up here. We're going to talk about it tomorrow, Friday Night Alive, Power Hour with your host. We're going to have a Q&A. That's what the program's going to be, questions and answers. I want you to bring your questions. I want you to invite somebody that's struggling, that has issues, that whatever it may be, challenge me. I want you to challenge me, because, man, I've been able to do it and I'm still working on it. There's no such thing as perfection, but we are striving for excellence. We are striving for peace, inner joy, right? A greater sense of well-being. Man, those things are worth more than money. And of course, we do need to make money too, right? We got to generate income. We got to pay Billy, right? Anyways, I'm going to leave you with those thoughts. Remember to comment below. Please give me a thumbs up. If you enjoy Soldiers of Self-Mastery, if you enjoy this mission, if you enjoy this ministry, please give financially. Team up with me to help other people. Keep me on the air, my friends, as I challenge myself to pay the bills. All right. Remember to make every day super fantastic, terrific, and over the top. Once again, Santos Rolon Jr. here, Mr. Santos Rolon Jr., right out of Stockton, California, at your service. My friend, my office will be below in the description box. Don't go another day if you're struggling, if you, whatever it may be, man. If you're suicidal, if you're struggling, if you don't have an answer, but yet you're looking for something, you're looking for someone to connect with, I'm your man. I'm doing it. I've done it. I will continue. Remember, we're not quitters. I'm not a quitter, and neither are you. I'll see you at the top on the inside on my very next one. Peace through strength from the top of my heart. I salute you, my friend.